How do we subtract integers? Madali lang yan. But before we subtract, make sure that you know the two basic rules in adding integers. If you don't know how to add integers yet, you can watch the video tutorial here. How do we subtract integers? Well, I can give you one simple technique to subtract integers properly. Just apply KCC. But what is KCC? KCC stands for Keep, Change, Change. K, keep the minuend. C, change subtraction to addition. And another C, change the sign of the subtrahend. So apply, keep, change, change. Then, after doing the technique, proceed to the rules of adding integers. For example, 16 minus 29. Apply KCC. First, keep the minuend 16, so you will still have positive 16. Change subtraction to addition, and then change the subtrahend 29 to negative 29. After applying KCC, we will now be adding integers with different signs. Can you still remember how to add integers with different signs? Well, if the given integers are with different signs, subtract the absolute value of the integers directly, regardless of the positions of the integers, then copy the sign of the integer with the greatest absolute value. So the absolute values are 16 and 29. So proceed to subtraction. 29 minus 16. Start with the 1's place value. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 10's place value. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer will be 13. But what will be the sign of 13? The sign is negative since negative 29 has the greatest absolute value. Madali, di ba? Another example. 28 minus negative 12. Apply KCC. Keep the minuend 28. Change subtraction to addition, and then change the subtrahend negative 12 to positive 12. So we will have 28 plus 12. So now, we will proceed to the rules of adding integers. So we will have 28 plus 12. And the rule for adding same signs, add the absolute value of the integers directly, then copy the common sign. The absolute values are 28 and 12. So 28 plus 12, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and then add the 10's place value, 1 plus 2 plus 1, you will have 4. The answer will be 40. So since we added two positive integers, the sign of 40 will still be positive. Madali rin, di ba? So now, how do we subtract integers? Just apply, keep, change, change. Then after doing the technique, proceed to the rules of adding integers. Madali lang naman matutunan. Share mo rin sa iba para may matutunan sila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.